We find Anderson to have a high level of consistency in pricing, quality, and Anderson always meets our expectations.
We consider Anderson Lithograph among the most prestigious of printers.
I'm very happy with Anderson, or I wouldn't be using them.
There are other excellent printers, but in commitment and expertise, after nearly 20 years of business, I found Anderson to be the very best.
And I think in the long run, it's their persistent, their almost stubborn dedication to quality that keeps bringing us back.
Anderson Lithograph of Founded in 1954, Anderson recently completed construction and moved into this ultra-modern printing complex. Built on foundations of quality, reliability, and service to the customer, this 7.5-acre facility is freeway close and readily accessible from 3 international airports. It is not by chance that Anderson chose this location. Rather, expediting of shipments and customer convenience were the guidelines for selecting this particular site. And inside are found many other customer conveniences. Offices and telephones for out-of-town visitors. Meeting rooms are also at their disposal. And because Anderson is a 24-hour operation, complete overnight facilities, including showers and even satellite TV, are available. At Anderson, dedication to quality begins at the top. And this dedication is transmitted from the top management team to all Anderson employees. Beginning here, in the sales department. As a customer, your first contact will be with an Anderson sales representative. Anderson sales representatives are, as are all the company's technical staff, fully conversant with the individual capabilities of the equipment on which your work will be printed. Your sales representative is your personal contact within the organization, ready to answer all questions pertaining to your job, and able to give an instant status report on your work as it travels through the plant. Computers are used to provide fast, accurate estimates and to assure the best possible price on each job performed. Computers also aid in scheduling and inventory control. This is important as it assures that no delivery date will fail to be met due to a shortage of paper or other vital material. Anderson's total commitment to quality is perhaps nowhere better illustrated than here in production control. A large staff of production controllers, each assigned to a specific client, will closely inspect all elements of each job. And working with the estimating department, they plan every detail of the work to be performed. This to provide the most comprehensive estimates and to assure the equipment used, scanners or cameras and presses, will be most advantageous to the customer. Production control personnel are the primary backups to your sales representative, and you may call them at any time to obtain a status report on your work. The highly skilled people working here reflect and practice Anderson's attitude of being totally prepared to make the adjustments necessary to original materials in order to achieve the desired end result. Quality awareness. That's production control. Extremely qualified technical people working with ultra-modern equipment begin preparing your work for the press. Anderson Lithograph has combined the latest technological advances with the skills of master craftsmen and artists. Dot etching is a good case in point. After viewing proofs, the customer may request color alterations. Chemically adjusting the dots on color separations affects these changes. A steady hand and a sharp eye are prerequisites for this critical work. And steady hands and sharp eyes are also necessary in the stripping department, where registration, pagination, and positioning of negatives are some of the critically precise jobs performed here. Large, intricate, multicolor jobs are sequenced, and printing plates are made on this computerized photo composer. All plates are automatically processed. Anderson provides full pre-press proofing facilities. Proofs are inspected in rooms especially designed and lit to national standards for this purpose. Ink, the lifeblood of the press. Anderson maintains its own ink laboratories, where skilled ink chemists control quality and assure that all ink is of the color, shade, and viscosity required. And now your work will move into the press room, where a variety of sophisticated presses fulfill the many requirements demanded by today's critical standards. 4 6-color and 1 4-color sheet fed. 2 full-size 6-color web presses, equipped with folders and cheaters. A 6-color half web, and a 4-color proof press. Pairing of equipment provides system redundancy, protecting the Anderson customer against scheduling delays. The roar of the press is not a sudden blast of sound. It began growing as critical pre-press tasks were being meticulously performed. Now your work is on the press, and responsibility for it is expertly assumed by Anderson's color specialists. A computerized Instacolor system electronically controls the amount of ink reaching the paper. And this video display allows monitoring of individual colors. As the work comes off the presses, it is meticulously scrutinized before moving into the bindery. Skilled and willing hands, craftsmanship and quality, companion products here in the bindery. Once again, pairing of equipment, this time in the bindery, protects against scheduling delays. Another plus, Anderson's complete mailing services, extremely cost-effective for their customers. After packaging, your work is ready for shipment by ground transportation or by way of one of the 3 international airports in the area. This then is Anderson Lithograph, a company dedicated to excellence, a company dedicated to its customers. In the final analysis, it's the Anderson customers who have enabled the company to grow, and this presentation is dedicated to them.
And I think in the long run, it's their persistent, their almost stubborn dedication to quality that keeps bringing us back.
Anderson Lithograph, truly a company dedicated to quality. Welcome to Anderson Lithograph.